Welcome back to the Tradesman channel, everybody. We are on to part 3 of our service truck build out. Now, I am absolutely loving this. In just a few days in, it already stinks of fuel oil in here because I had to rip an oil pump apart on the bench. So we definitely have to get the FRP on here so I can clean that up so it doesn't get into the wood so much and just smell for weeks. But this is an HVAC service truck. There's going to be a lot of big burner assemblies I'll have in here, tearing down, going through, things like that. So it's going to stink of oil and refrigeration stuff and all kinds of goodies. But I'm still loving the room in here. I'm loving being able to walk in from the cab, come in from the back. This is awesome. I'm still going to have about 4 feet of room down the center of this thing, enough to put equipment in when I do installs. So this is really exciting. So let me show you what we're at and on to tonight. It was kind of tough getting camera angles in here because it's a tight space, but I gotta be honest with you, sometimes it's easier than the main shop. And so what we have, we're gonna do another corner cabinet up here. It's gonna be drawers. It's gonna be fairly tall. We're gonna say somewhere up in there. I want to say I was doing, I have it written down. You could just look. I was doing about 64 inches in height because what we want to do on top of this wall, I want a pipe rack across for 10-foot lengths of black iron or copper pipe, things like that. Has to be pretty sturdy because sometimes I'll be running 3-inch black iron pipe. Sometimes we'll be running 2 or 3-inch copper, 4-inch copper. So this has to be good and sturdy. But down the rest of the wall, so this is a 2-foot by 2-foot cabinet we're going to have here. Down the rest of the wall, it's going to be 14 inches out. It's going to go all the way up to the ceiling, like I said. Enough for pipe, things of that nature. This one's going to take longer, believe it or not, than that one because we have a lot of stuff going on with this. We have refrigerant jugs, B tanks, MC tanks, nitrogen tanks, a lot of different things that have to go on this wall. So we're making the most of our space, and this is how we're going to do it. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. Well, everybody, we're almost there. So we have our doors on this side. We're getting things sorted out. So next time out, we're going to be putting the final touches on this work van. We got to do a face frame and a door on here. Got to make our refrigerant rack. I've got to make the permanent mount for the heater. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.